Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Marjorie, aka Coupon Empress, aka Collection Gifts by Marjorie. I was watching Designing with Claudia. I think that's Claudia. You all know who Claudia is. You all know Claudia. Come on now. Don't tell me you don't know Claudia. So I saw it. Where she have these. This box is crazy. I'm gonna call Tarjay. This is the Bratz doll, Kylie. Oh my God, guys. These are gorgeous. One was 4 something and one was 5 something. Ooh. These look good, but the top of this one is a little bit broken. So I'm gonna call up Tarjay and see what they can do. I ordered 5 and 5. So I ordered 5 of this one. This is gorgeous, you all. This is gorgeous. The doll with the little dog, and there's a star. I know nothing. All I know is these are one of the Jenner kids. I know nothing else about them. Don't ask me. But from I hear Bratz, I'm like, what? Okay, I'm seeing one here with lips. Ooh. This one have the sunshades, the little handbag that look like lips. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if they're still available. So let me see. I think I have 5 and I had ordered 5 and 5. So I have, okay. Let's see what we have. Make sure they give me the right count. I have 2 with the lips, 2 with the dog, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so it's 10. I have 5 with the lips and 5 with the dog. Y'all, these are gorgeous. That, I'm going to sit around and show you all the barcode. Come on. Come on. There you go. This is gorgeous. Little taxes. What the little taxes. Bratz Celebrity Doll Night. Okay, so y'all, these look good. These looks amazing. And you have the word Kylie going across here. Nice hairdo, nice black dress. This is nice. That is nice. So I don't know if these are still available on Target.com, but you guys can check and see. You know, we've been waiting for what? Also, this is actually a brush. I was saying a little star. This is actually a hairbrush without handles. Hey, I don't know how they do this, but hey. You know, we've been waiting on Walmart to put these dolls on clearance, and Walmart taking like forever. So, you can go to Target.com and see if you guys can score some of these dolls. Yo, they're looking good. I give it a 10 out of 10. They're looking absolutely wonderful. Why my camera looks so grainy? That's it, you all. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.